In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task to a team member using Wrike on Google Chrome. Whether you're a project manager or a team member, mastering this simple yet essential process is key to effective collaboration. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps in detail. First, launch Google Chrome on your computer. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the Wrike website and log into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you have Wrike open, you're ready to begin. You should see your dashboard or the page you last visited when you log in. Next, it's time to either select an existing task or create a new one, depending on what you're working with. If you already have a task in mind, simply navigate to the project it's part of. Click on the task to open it. If you're creating a new task, look for the option or button that allows you to add a new task. This is usually prominently displayed on the interface for easy access. Once you've got the task in front of you, directing your attention to the assignee field is important. The assignee field is the section where you specify which team member is responsible for this particular task. Typically, this field is clearly labeled, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Click on the assignee field to activate it. Upon clicking, you'll see a drop-down list appearing. This drop-down will show you a list of your team members who have access to the project. This design allows you to easily scroll through to find the right person. If you have a large team, there's often a search bar within the drop-down that lets you quickly locate the individual by typing their name. It's a handy feature when time is of the essence and you want to avoid scrolling. After locating the appropriate team member from the list, go ahead and click on their name to select them. Doing this will effectively designate them as the person responsible for this task. It's always a good approach to double check before moving on, ensuring there are no mistakes in your selection. Assigning tasks to the wrong person can lead to miscommunications, so accuracy here is important. Finally, you need to save your changes. Look for a save button or option within the task interface. This might be located at the top or bottom of the task window. Clicking save locks in your choice and updates the task with the new assignee. Without this final confirmation, your selection might not be saved and the task won't be properly assigned, so don't skip this step. And that's it! You've now successfully assigned a task to a team member on Wrike using Google Chrome. Remember, assigning tasks effectively ensures that everyone knows what they should be working on and helps keep projects on track. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.